This Berkshire Hathaway HomeServices Florida Realty property video is presented by Heather Delamarter. Available unfurnished rental beginning April 1st. Lushly landscaped 3-bed 2-bath home boasts a spacious screened-in back patio with a private backyard. Upon entering, you'll be greeted by an inviting open floor plan that connects the living, dining, and kitchen areas. Upgrades include a 22 roof and impact windows. Stepping outside, the property presents a well-maintained yard that benefits from the new irrigation system. This space is perfect for hosting outdoor gatherings, gardening, or creating your own serene oasis. Located close to shopping and both causeways to the beach. No pets. For more information, review the details below or contact Heather Delamarter at 772-774